Okay, Chef Ronald, we're here with Chef Teutli Estrada in the restaurant Vianda here in Oaxaca, in Etla, Oaxaca. And please, Chef, tell us what you're going to do.
Today we're going to make is one ceviche with chochoyotes. Chochoyotes is like a
Masa dumpling?
dumpling. Yeah. And we're going to make it with chapulines
Okay.
and chicatanas. Chicatanas is like some kind of ant. In Oaxaca, we only get it one time per year,
Okay.
and it's the first rain of the whole year.
Really?
We always can get it frozen, already roast, because it's another way. It's impossible to keep it. And then with chapulines, I mean, it's the most common insect in Oaxaca. And in some way, I want to represent the milpa. So that's why I'm going to use the corn.
Yep.
And this kind of flower is one tree that is growing next to the milpa.
Okay.
This is the flower of the beans.
Okay.
Of course, the flower of the squash.
Awesome.
I'm going to use it. I want to use also quintoniles, veroladas, cilantro, and piojito. Piojito, usually we use this herb for the guias, the calabaza.
Yeah.
I'm going to use it like some kind of garnish.
Okay.
You'll be some freshness.
Okay.
And the fish is going to be red snapper.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish to the eyes.
Those are nice and clear.
I want it.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are you going to do with it, this piece of fish? It's beautiful.
I'm going to make leche de tigre.
Okay, so how you do it?
I will take only the fillet, and I'm going to use lime juice, and also the corn, the olote. The olote is like the bone,
Yep.
and the leaves. I'm going to burn it, char.
Char.
Char. Yes. I'm going to make like some kind of juice with that one, and I'm going to make the leche de tigre with that.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to put the piece of fish of the red snapper, some lime juice, freshly squeezed again from the Mexican limes, a little bit of salt.
I'm going to make the chochoyotes, okay? Chapulines.
So to flavor the chochoyotes, you're going to use some chapulines, grasshoppers.
The chapulines usually is coming with salt, lime, some garlic to give flavor. So sometimes we wash them to remove a little bit that flavor. But right now, because you have the taste of the lime, it's okay for the ceviche.
Okay.
Perfect. And these are the chicatanas,
Yep.
the winged ants. Yeah, their chapulines are super aromatic. The chicatana is more like a grassy type of flavor.
Okay.
So she's gonna mix a little bit of those insects into the dough, into the masa. And we have here a little bit of lard.
Yep.
Nice.
A magical ingredient.
Yes, always. And salt. Yeah, it's interesting because every time you use masa, like, for making tortillas, for the tortillas, we never add salt.
Yeah.
But if you're going to cook something with them, with the masa, then, like chochoyotes or memelas or molotes or something, you add a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Again, not much.
Yep.
But tortillas, never.
Never.
Now we combine everything and we make the chochoyotes.
Beautiful. So flavored chochoyotes. And you make an indentation, so when you cook them, besides looking pretty, they also will be cooked all the way through.
Yep.
If you leave it like a little bowl, then the center will be always raw.
Aha.
Beautiful.
We call it ombligos.
Ombliguito, like the belly button.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. And chochoyotes is we usually use also for the guias de calabaza. But that one is plain, only the masato.
Yeah.
They're gonna be cooked in water, with a touch of salt. You can also cook them in broth, but not for this. What do you have there?
This is the leche de tigre
Okay.
with the red snapper, and I blended also with the lime juice, some salt, and
And the silk,
Yeah.
the silk of the corn.
so we are going to use the whole corn
Yeah.
for this recipe. Chochoyotes,
Roasted corn. Okay, chochoyotes.
we have it
That they were cooked.
here.
Some of the fish, the snapper. Awesome.
Mango, because we have mango right now.
Okay.
It's the season. Perfect.
Jicama.
Awesome.
Gives some crunch.
Yes.
And the mango, a little bit of sweetness, but also a little acidity. Lovely.
Very different than with mi ceviche. I've
Yes,
seen it.
right? So using fresh corn, using dried corn
Yeah.
with the masa and all the insects available in this area.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish.
And some of the leche de tigre. Zucchini blossoms. Some quelites. Vitamines.
Some
The
purslane.
purslane. Wow. Just the top tender pieces of the purslane. The ojito. So anything really.
Okay. Alright, so
And some criollo. Remember? It's the criollo.
it's the only cilantro that I've ever eaten that I liked.
Yes. And our flowers. With the flowers. These are the bean flowers. ¿Y este te acuerdas el nombre del
Huachepin.
el huachapil?
It's a kind of tree.
That grows next to the masa or the mice.
That's
The
good,
mice,
nice, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Let's get into it.
Awesome. Let's try this.
All right, chef. Let's try a little bit of everything. Ready? All right. Well balanced.
It's amazing and
Mhm.
very oddly, for the flavor profile, it reminds me of the milk from Fruit Loops.
It's true. Yeah. Yeah, the leche de tigre with the corn.
Oh,
Right,
it's
okay.
so good.
Mhm.
It's absolutely amazing.
Then you have the crunchiness and the sweetness of the mango with all the herbs. It was perfect. Thank you, chef.
Rare.
Thank
Thank you so much. Chef.